Hey all, welcome back. Today we are going to be working on the Z some more, and I just finished soldering up that wiring disaster. So that's this right here. Just got all those soldered up and spliced together. Yep, and I did use solder. I also changed some of the wires because the wire the wire they used to fix it was stranded wire that you would use for like a house for electrical, like an electrical panel or something like that, which is not, it was a little over gauged and stuff like that. So I tried to match the gauge as best as I could. There was also some neutral wires in there that they didn't put together. So put those together. Hopefully things will still work when we get back together. But the rest of this video, I'm going to just kind of pop in every once in a while. The rest of this video, I'm going to just pop in every once in a while and give you guys an update on how the transmission extraction is coming, because that's what we're doing today. We're going to do the transmission extraction. It's kind of early in the morning. I'm working as long as I can until it gets too hot, and then I'll show you guys the progress. Okay, so update on the transmission extraction. Some things that I found, some interesting things that I found under the car. So let's go. Come with me under the car and I will share with you the things that I have found. So first of all, it's really interesting that this car got hit or ran over something rather substantial and caused quite a bit of damage on the bottom. I don't think it's like anything to be too concerned about, but it's just, kind of sucks. You can tell that there's a groove in here. It's not supposed to be there. So they ran over something, it looks like. This is kind of pushed up a little bit. There's a good crease over here, and this has been pushed up over here a little bit. So I don't know if you can see that, but see, there's the other side. And this is the passenger side over here. This is the driver's side over here. And that looks more of the way it's supposed to look. Oh, there we go. That looks a little bit more the way it's supposed to look. It's supposed to be flat. So anyway, so we know this car has been kind of abused, but it's okay. I got my little tranny plug-in. Sounds dirty. And so that the transmission fluid doesn't leak all over the place. Got the drive shaft out, as you can see. And let's see, what are we doing over here? I'm starting to extract bolts from the transmission. Now, I've loosened the bolts like on this cross member here, but I'm keeping them there. I have a jack standing by to put things in. These bolts, interestingly enough, so this one was pretty tight. That one was okay tight. That one up there was not very tight at all. The very top one is missing, which, okay. It's not, it's not the end of the world that it's missing, but unfortunately now I don't have a top bolt for the transmission. It kind of concerns me that that one bolt was loose, but I don't know, we'll see once I get this actually, completely pulled out and get to take a look at it. So, okay, that's it for now. I'll be back when I get it out so we can take a look at it. Okay guys, so we got the beast of the transmission out. She's right here. She's right here. She's a bit dirty. She is really dirty. But she's probably got 22,000 miles, 220,000 miles on it, whatever. How much? I don't know if this is the original transmission that was in the car, or if it's the one that was swapped with the engine. Not sure. The only thing I'm a little concerned about with this guy is this. A little bit of play in that shaft. Not too bad. I think I'm gonna just run it for now like that. We'll have to think about transmission rebuild next time, but that's not the really fun stuff I found. Let me take you under the car with me, and I will show you the really fun stuff I just found. This is, all right, so first of all, okay. All right, so first of all, let's take a look at the clutch. Actually, let me pull this out. All right. Okay, first of all, let's take a look at the clutch. I got the clutch out. Looks like it was some sort of aftermarket clutch. Here it is right here. Get some of my tools out of the way. It's not, there's still some material on it. Not too bad. It's starting to crack, a little bit of heat. You can tell there's some serious heat going on in that, and there's some real hot spots on the whatever that thing is. I forget. I can't think of it right now. But anyway, yeah. So, but it's not making the grinding noise or the metal on metal noise that was concerned. Now, notice this though. This is a little concerning right here. This wear pattern. I wonder what could have caused that. Let's go see. Let's go under the car. Whoosh. And check it out. There we go, right there. We got this little puppy right here. It is just hanging out. Let's see if I can get a good angle on it. Yeah, hanging almost pretty much all the way out. Let's see, 1, 2, yeah, about 3 turns, and he came out. Probably no Loctite whatsoever on it. So he was out. This guy's out a little bit. This guy's out a little bit, and you can see there's a lot of wear. There's a lot of heat on the flywheel. It doesn't feel too bad. I'm hoping that it's not warped. It is supposedly an aftermarket aluminum flywheel. But this, you can even tell, I pull this bolt out of here, you can tell on the head of that bolt right there, you can see the wear where it was hitting the clutch plate. Yep, so I'm really grateful that the guy that I bought it from, when he started hearing the metal against metal, actually stopped driving it, because it could have been a lot worse. I'm hoping that I can salvage this flywheel and not have to buy a new one, although I don't know, I might buy a new one anyway. I'm gonna pull it off here, see what the main seal looks like, and go from there. All right, we'll see you in a bit. So I got the flywheel off, and there's the rear main. Doesn't look too bad, but there's a little bit of a leak down here. A little bit of a leak down here. So I actually already went ahead beforehand. Went ahead and ordered a new rear main seal. So because I was figuring, you never know what you're going to find these older engines. So I'm just going to change it out anyway. Even though I'm probably going to pull the engine and rebuild it in the next couple months, but whatever, at least, you know, for now it'll be, I mean, it's cheap. Rear main seals are cheap. These aren't too difficult to change. Don't know about the pilot bearing. Oof. Is there a pilot bearing in there? I can't even tell. I can't tell if there's a pilot bearing in there even. Maybe there is. Maybe not. They put a pilot bearing in there? Holy shit. It doesn't feel like they put a fucking pilot bearing in there. Excuse my language. Okay, I gotta get a light look a little bit more closely. But anyway, and then here's the bolts. Here's the bolts. Sorry, I'm still gonna lay down. It doesn't look like there's a lot of like clutch material residue on them, which is kind of weird with this powdery stuff. But it doesn't look like they put any Loctite on these bolts at all. And that's something that even me, a guy who doesn't know anything about cars, I know you got to put Loctite on like really important things like flywheels and stuff. So anyway, so that's it for now. I think I'm going to get out from under this car and get out of this heat for a bit and rest. It's a weird angle, but it's, you know, I got to get a lift or something if I do this again. Okay, I think that's enough for now. I'm going to end it off there. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Help me grow this channel. And I will, next time, we'll do the clutch unboxing. I got a brand new XZD clutch for this thing, and we'll work on putting all that back together and see if we can get this clutch and transmission back in the car and get the car back on the road. Like I said, be safe, and we'll see you next time.